Factor tree of 325. So 325, it can be written as 5 times 65. 5 times 65 means 325. 65, it can be written as 5 times 13. 5 times 13 means 65. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 5, 5 and 13. So we can write 325 is equal to product of all these numbers, that is 5 times 5 times this 13. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.